Let's go back to your page, in this case the Jaime Lee sheet. Pick on your sheet over here. And the class name, I'd like you to go ahead and add that right now. Your class name, whatever the name of the class that you're in, and your name would go right here. And today I'm Jaime Lee, so my name goes there. Notice things turn green in this class as you complete them, which is neat to know. Speaking of completing things, let's complete setting up the project manager. You should be able to check off most of these steps. You've programmed your milestone counter. Now it's time for your first peer feedback. You're going to ask for someone else in the class to give you some feedback. This first feedback is, there isn't much. Just give someone something helpful to say, like, good start. But I would like you to find someone else in the class, that's a peer, and ask them to write something there for you, and then you can check off that box. If your teacher doesn't have that box, then you can ignore it. And then ask your teacher for feedback. Your teacher should type something here. And this is just a great opportunity to go ahead and have your first face-to-face conversation with your teacher. Just look at your teacher, ask them to come on over and type something on your sheet. Just takes a second, and that's a good way to introduce yourself and just get that started. So there you are. Your teacher should have written something there. Now you can check off that box. And then your teacher, while she's there, should sign off that this unit is complete. If you see a direction that says ask teacher to sign off, don't check that box yourself. Only a teacher should check that. And that's your teacher saying, yep, you're done, and watch what happens. When you click that last checkbox, the whole thing turns green, and that means that unit is done. You finished setting up your project manager, and notice I can scroll up or down, and these rows up here stay frozen, a helpful way to get through it. And now you're ready to start the rest of the semester. Good luck, and have a great school year.